What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video we are going to install some high beam Auxito LED light bulbs on this truck. So if you haven't checked out the low beam video, click the link in the corner here, check those out, come back, check these out. It will work great as a set for your truck. So this is going to work for 99 to 07 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. So I have a 2500 model. It'll work 25, 35, 1500, don't matter. So it will work. The process should be the same for those vehicles. So let's get right into it. Let's go check out the bulbs. All right, so here we have Auxito 9005, which is going to be the high beam on these Silverado trucks. So let's get this open. Alrighty, so there are a couple different O-rings here, and we're going to take a look at those and see which one will fit. But there are O-rings on here already. We're going to try these ones first. But this is what the bulb looks like. Little fan on the top, and yeah, looks great. So all right, so let's get the headlight out so we can get these bulbs installed. Alright, so we're going to pop this hood open. Alrighty. So we are going to start with the driver's side. So there's got these little pins here, and they clip into here. You want to pull that pin to the side, up and out. Put that pin in a safe spot. There's another little pin here. Put that in a safe spot there. Now we can pull this headlight out, and we can unplug the bulbs here from these connectors. So that's what we're going to do now. We're undoing the high beam. We already have our Auxito low beam in here. And you guys, if you checked out that video, pretty good. So you may need a small screwdriver to get these loose, but I'm just going to use a spare set of keys I got. Alright. So now that that's unplugged, we have the headlight released. Alrighty, now that we have the headlight out, we're going to be changing out the high beam. And that's going to be the inner bulb on this headlamp. So it comes out like that, turns counterclockwise. Then we're going to put the new one in. It goes in so. You want to line up the tabs. There's 3 tabs on it. Line those up. The orientation of the headlight. It feels pretty good. Feels pretty tight. And then that's it. So let's put this headlight back in. That's pretty simple on the high beam here. So all right, now that we got the high beam in, we're going to plug everything back in here. Like so. Just reverse the process. Headlight goes in. Simple as that. And we get the pins in, and pins are back in. Got that in. All right, let's try them out real quick. Start the truck. Holy cow, it's way up in the air, but we'll get that fixed. But yeah, it's way brighter than that side right there. So holy cow, let's go outside and see what it looks like. Alrighty, so this is from inside the truck. We're gonna lower that the LED down from Auxito. And yeah, so but it's way brighter, as we can tell. I'm standing right in front of it, but bright, not so bright. Bright, not so bright. Looks good. So let's get the other side in real quick, and then we'll talk about it and go from there. Alrighty, let's get this passenger side down real quick. Should be pretty simple. Fall back in. Alright, there we go. That's in. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that looks way better. I gotta get this side down though. You can hear the fans running in there that are on them. High beam aimed, low aimed. I put the lows together kinda. The high beam's a little high, but I think it'll be all right. Because you gotta turn them off anyways when you're coming towards the car, so should be okay. But yeah, we're gonna run with that. We're gonna go outside and check it out. Alrighty, so got them in there, looking pretty good. Yeah, that'll work. These are bright. Look at how bright those are. Camera probably picking it up somewhat a little crazy, but they are bright, so looking good. Alrighty, well, we're gonna conclude that video. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely hop down below and grab your 15% off. Use TheWiscoGuyz down below at Auxito.com. And thank you to Auxito for sending out the bulbs and having me try them out. But yeah, I mean, we've done many videos on Auxito, so I know they work, they're quality. So, but hop down below, get your discount code, get your bulbs coming, because yeah, it's bright, very bright. All right, make sure you subscribe to the channel too. All right, thank you guys. Have a good night or day or whatever you're having. See ya. Bye.